guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video is another mascara review. Today it's going to be on the L'Oreal L'Oreal BAMBI Oversized Eye. It's a new mascara. Now I tried their other BAMBI mascara. It wasn't bad. It was actually pretty good. I will link it here. But I saw this one, and honestly it's cute because it does have like BAMBI. It's got like the little Disney logo on the side. So that caught my eye. I was interested in it, so we're going to try it out. Quick rundown of my mascara videos. I have straight lashes. I'll curl them, especially when I'm filming, just so they look a little bit more open, but they do tend to drop. And I'll kind of like look to the side. They're very thin. They're not like super full lashes. And usually, depending on the mascara, like I've been able to find a handful of mascaras that will keep my lashes up, but most have a tendency to start to droop. And recently, I reviewed a few mascaras that have just not been it for me. So I'm hoping this works. I usually have luck with L'Oreal mascaras. They're like, the formula's never extremely wet. I've been more lucky with L'Oreal, let's just put it that way. So I'm hoping this will be another success. We will see. I have the shade Intense Black. It is not waterproof, but it says that it's easy to remove. So this is what the packaging looks like. You can see the cute Bambi, just in case you want to see it in the store. So I'm going to open it. I believe it retails for about $10. L'Oreal, depending on where you get it, it could be $10 to about $13. It says it's a lifting brush. It fits the eye shape to coat each lash from the inner corner to the outer corner. It has a mixture of short and long bristles, so that's going to help to catch every single eyelash. And then it says a highly charged formula for instantly stretched, volumized lashes. I'm not sure what that means, but we're going to find out together. Alright, so that is the details on that. I'm going to come in a little bit close. I'm going to curl my lashes. So I'm taking my Shuuomura eyelash curler. I'm going to start on one eye. I'm going to pull you guys in. So we're going to start with this eye first. Gonna take it. Look how cute that is. I love how the Bambi is on the packaging. I'm gonna open it. Oh, interesting. Let me show you guys what the bristles look like. So it's a rubber brush. It has bristles. The outer part is longer, and then as it kind of tapers in, the bristles do get shorter. I don't know how I usually do with rubber bristles, so we'll see. I usually prefer like the natural bristles, but alright, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to start applying. It doesn't have a scent. Usually it has like a flowery scent. Just lift my lid a little bit more. It's definitely very black. I can see that. That is one coat. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. You can feel it coating the lashes nicely. What do you guys think? Let me pull the camera away so we can kind of see it. Do we feel like we see a difference? I mean, I guess the lashes they're somewhat staying up. I can see somewhat of a difference between this eye and this eye. So let me do this eye. I'm going to pull you guys back in again. Alright, so that's what we're working with. Alright. Alright, the lashes hold up decent. Well, you're too far away now. Okay. I think that's how we started the video. We were like this far away from each other. Let me see. I gotta get a little bit closer just to do something. You can definitely layer it on more, which I do like. The color is very black. I do like that as well. Let me just turn to the side so you can see what it looks like against the wall. Alright, so here's what I think. It's definitely volumizing, it is lengthening, and it does a pretty decent job of holding up my curl. Like this eye, the lashes are a little bit more up. They drooped just a little bit, but not too bad. I think it's a pretty decent mascara. I like it. It's like a step above. I always say, like, if a mascara just kind of coats the lashes and it's like an everyday thing, I'll say it's like a basic mascara. This is definitely like a step above that. It's not like my Apple mascara that like keeps my eyelashes up, but I do like the color. I love that it's volumizing. It's like a deep, rich black color too. And it's definitely lengthening. Like, it does make my eyelashes look better than what they normally do without anything on. So it definitely does the job with that. So I think it's a good one. I don't know if you guys have tried this one. Let me know. Comment down below. I'm very curious. I don't know if this comes in waterproof. When I saw it in the store, I mean, I went to Ulta when it was almost closing. This is the only one that I saw. I could be wrong. But yeah, let me know if you're going to try it. I want to hear your thoughts for sure. But this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.